How does ChatGPT work? In recent years, artificial intelligence has started to play a significant role in our society, and its applications have reached various fields, including those related to the world of the web. Examples of this are the image generator DL** and the chatbot ChatGPT. Lately, you've heard a lot about the latter, but you haven't quite understood what it is exactly and, more importantly, how it works. Would you like to find out? If you've answered affirmatively to these questions, you're evidently in the right place at the right time. In this guide, you'll find a detailed explanation of how to use ChatGPT. Get comfortable, take all the time you need to focus on this video, and you'll see that you'll be able to understand how ChatGPT can be helpful to you. Let's get started. Before that, go to the section below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. What is ChatGPT? Let's begin by understanding what ChatGPT is so that when you use the service, you'll have a better grasp of what happens behind the scenes, or, to put it more accurately, behind the lines of code that form the complex algorithm at the core of ChatGPT's functionality. To start, developed by OpenAI, a renowned organization in the field of artificial intelligence research. Its operation is based on GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, a natural language processing model also developed by OpenAI. GPT-3, having been trained using a vast quantity and variety of texts, including over 500 gigabytes of data from books, articles, web content, human conversations, etc., not only has the capability to generate text autonomously, but can also make it very similar to text generated by a human user. Its 175 billion parameters make it one of the most versatile models in its category, as it can be used in multiple ways. To delve a bit deeper into the training sources, know that ChatGPT has been trained starting from OpenAI's Instruct GPT models, or GPT 3.5 models, which are indeed an upgraded version of the aforementioned GPT-3 models. The Instruct GPT models, in fact, are pre-trained models optimized through the manual intervention of human trainers. This significantly improved the chatbot's language fluency and the naturalness of its responses. What is ChatGPT used for? Here are the top 5 uses for ChatGPT. 1. Automated assistance. ChatGPT's algorithm can generate automated responses in a conversation with a human user and can proactively respond using fairly natural language. This makes it ideal for providing automated assistance. 2. Text generation. Given its ability to generate text autonomously, it can be employed to draft product descriptions, social media posts, newspaper articles, emails, video scripts, and more. 3. Automatic summarization. Its text comprehension and learning capabilities make it suitable for autonomously summarizing lengthy conversations and documents. This can be beneficial for students and professionals who need to extract summary information from long text. 4. Automatic translation. It can automatically translate the source text into multiple languages. 5. Code generation. It can generate scripts and lines of code in various programming languages. However, when using the service, please keep in mind that the system's database is frozen as of 2021 and does not have internet access to fetch updated information sources. Regarding the use of the service, as of my last update, ChatGPT is free in its basic plan. Commercial use licensing has not yet been introduced, but be cautious as some information provided by the system may come from copyrighted sources and cannot be used without the necessary permissions. There is also a pay plan available for around $20 per month, offering benefits like continued access during peak times, faster responses, and early access to new features like browsing and the ability to install and use plugins. Be wary of third-party apps and websites that require monthly or weekly subscriptions to use ChatGPT. How ChatGPT works. Now that you have a basic understanding of what ChatGPT is and how it operates, let's dive into how to use ChatGPT. To get started, visit the service's main page by clicking on this link. Then click the Try ChatGPT button and proceed to click the Sign Up button on the newly opened page. Now you can register using your email address, your Google account, Continue with Google, or your Microsoft account, Continue with Microsoft account. Be sure to use the text field or the appropriate button and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once registered, provide your name and last name in the name and last name text fields. Click the Continue button. Enter your phone number in the designated field. Click the Send Code button. and input the 6-digit verification code sent to you via SMS in the corresponding text field. With this phase completed, you are now ready to use ChatGPT. As you can see, the service interface is quite straightforward and minimal. To begin using it, simply type your request in the text entry field at the bottom of the page. As you make your request, use natural, specific, and direct language. Then click on the paper airplane icon, similar to what you see in classic instant messaging services, to send your request to ChatGPT. Once done, all that's left is to await a response from ChatGPT's algorithm. If your request is highly complex, it may take a few minutes to complete. For simpler and more straightforward requests, responses are nearly instantaneous. If a response seems incomplete, or if you have further questions to get a more comprehensive answer, you can continue interacting with ChatGPT by sending additional messages, much like you would with a real person. The system can take previous messages into account during a conversation, providing intelligent and context-aware responses. If, on the other hand, a response seems to cut off, you can retrieve the missing part by simply giving the command "continue." Additionally, if you want a different response to the same question, you can click the Regenerate Response button to generate a new one. If you wish, you can also provide feedback by clicking the Like or Dislike buttons next to each response given by the service. If you intend to end the conversation with ChatGPT, click the plus New Chat button at the top left to start a new conversation. If you want to delete a chat, click the trash can symbol next to it in the left sidebar, and then confirm your intentions by clicking the checkmark button that appears. For further details, you can refer to the official support. In case you are subscribed to the paid version of ChatGPT and want to utilize the browsing and plugin features, you need to activate them first. To do this, after logging into your ChatGPT account, click the three-dot button at the bottom left, next to your name. Select Settings, then Better Features, and switch the toggles to On for web browsing and plugins. Now, to use the browsing feature, select the GPT-4 tab at the top, and in the drop-down menu that appears, click on Web Browsing to initiate browsing-related queries with ChatGPT. ChatGPT Plugins. Regarding plugins, once you've selected the GPT-4 tab, as I've just shown you, and chosen the Plugins function from the drop-down menu, click on the No Plugins Enabled option. Then select one of the previously used plugins. You shouldn't see any since you just activated the feature, or install one through the plugin store. Simply choose the one you want to use. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and don't miss the next one. Become a tech genius. Do it for Jin.